Joel, Deb, and Maya here, welcoming you to join us in our journey for Chasing RV Sunshine.
Hi, Deb here from Chasing RV Sunshine. We got a special video today for you as we had computer issues and an external hard drive issue, and we've lost all of our videos for the next 6 weeks that we had pre-planned from trips that we had done this summer, so that we would have us in Wisconsin something to show you a little different than what cold and snow is during the winter months. But our wonderful niece JoJo helped us out, and we're bringing to you a special version of Chasing RV Sunshine. And as always, don't forget to stick around to the end for the bloopers. Thank you, JoJo. Love you.
Action.
And here we're going on a hike. That was really great. Hey, Dad, we should go get JoJo and Max and have s'mores. Okay. This would be so much better if JoJo and Max were here. Ow! We love the beach, and we love our popsicles, and we love the sunset. Fine. Ow, ow. Are you okay, Flan? Ow! Are you okay, Flan? Ow! I can't get the camera in his hand. There we go. It fell down. It's super blurry because Maya licked it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.
Yes, as JoJo pointed out, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring that bell so you can get notified when our next video is out, and you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well. Miss and love everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching Chasing RV Sunshine. We will be bringing you regular content next week, and we once again want to say thank you to our niece JoJo for helping us out with this week's video, and we can't wait to see you on the next one. Be safe out there.